Hey guys, what's up? So, we are going to do a little bit of chicken walk. So, this is their coop. That's their food bowl, and that's everything. But, okay, here comes a chickie. They hope and I have food. So if you're wondering what this is on the ground, it's just mini pretzels because they eat things that expire. So if you don't want to waste food a lot, then they are the perfect animal for this. And if you want them to roam around and you want your child to roam around and you want the chickens, well, they're perfect because they have ticks. So this is just an extension. See, we have a little hole going through the fence. See, that's a little. There's the chickens. Their food is those little pebble things. I'll zoom in. They flipped over their food bowl, I'm guessing, because it's flipped over. And this is just the shed. This is the coop. There's the coop. Bye.